Hello, and welcome to Specto Technology. We are going to be doing a quick dive into Instantel's Vision 2 software. As a first-time user, click the link provided in the Vision 2 account registration email to obtain access to the website. As a returning user, open up Vision 2 using www.vision2.instantel.com and log in using your credentials. Select your dashboard landing page. This is the company homepage, where you can view all of the projects that have been created in your company's account. At the top, you can see some quick statistics about your company, including the total number of projects and how many warnings and alarms devices have been reached. We will then click the Launch Project button to go to the Project Setup page. Here, you can give your project a name and set all of the corresponding settings you want set for your project, such as compliance standards, unit systems, and finally, limits for your geophone, sound level microphones, and linear microphones. The next step of the project creation allows you to choose the location. So if you enter in the address of the project, you can drag and drop the unit directly where it should be on the map. Here, you'll find all units in your account that have not yet been assigned to a project. The last page is where you can select users to add to the project, so they can view it and have their permissions set to be a project view, project admin, or project download, which assigns different viewing permissions. Moving on to the company inventory page, which lets you view all devices within your company's fleet. Here you can see some quick statistics about the available devices and their live data status, and if they are due for calibration. This is where you can register new devices, assign and unassign from projects, and enable or disable live data, as well as update firmware. Below this is the sensors section, where you can view all of the different sensors your company owns. Next is the company users page, which lets you add new users to Vision 2 with the same type of permissions that we went over in the project creation process. But this can be done at the company level, which can grant more visibility. Below is the user group for notifications section, where you can add groups of users to receive notifications, ranging from warnings and alarms to daily histogram reports. You can then select a user you've previously created and add them to a user group. Lastly, on the company side is the company settings page, which allows you to add a logo and some basic company information. Below that is an area that allows you to view all the available compliance standards as well as create custom standards. Now, let's navigate to the project screen. Return to the company home screen, then select the desired project name from the projects list. From here, you can see some quick info about the units assigned to this project, as well as a maps view of the project location. Below is an event summary of all the events that have triggered from units of this project, along with how many alarms and warnings have triggered. You can see here how a waveform report will look. Let's move over to the project inventory page. This is where you can see more of a breakdown of the devices on this project. On this page, you are able to make changes to your devices similar to the company inventory page, just restricted to devices on this specific project. Below is the list of sensors attached to the project. Next is the project users page, which is the same as the company users page, but specific to this project. Next up, the project settings page is where you can make edits to the specific project you are under. Lastly, this is the device page of a specific unit. To access the device page, click the desired device serial number on any home or inventory page that it appears on, similar to what is shown here. Here you can start or stop live data as you wish. You can see the device status with its current monitoring status, storage, battery life, modem signal, etc. Here you can see the live data start to feed in, and you can view the results directly on the graph. You can see the schedule settings for daily reporting, a quick maps location of the device, and the most recent events this unit has recorded at the bottom. On the device settings page, you can go here to change the compliance standard as well as battery saving mode. You can also see the device's firmware and latest available firmware. This is the setup file for the unit. You can go in and make edits here for the specific unit, as well as view or edit different setup files. Lastly, this is what a histogram report would look like when receiving the daily scheduled reports. When being viewed through a web browser, the reports are interactive, so you can view data by hovering over the graph. You are all set. You have successfully navigated Instantel's Vision 2 software. Happy monitoring.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.